you have two possibilities. The first one is here, is this one. I lock here, okay? It means that with this one, the pieces is referred to here. It means that if I put the dimension 100 and I move the angle, you have the automatic positioning, the automatic adjustment in relation to the different angle. So for big pieces you can work in this way. 25, 25.5 and so on. Okay. But if you haven't to move the stop every time is 1 meter the cut. But if you want to work in the other side, you take out this one and you put this one, this out and this in. Now the automatic adjustment is made in the other side.